Stop before you take another scoop of that protein powder. Listen carefully, most brands are lying to you. Heavy metals, amino spiking and fillers that destroy your gains. I tested over different protein powders, lab results, taste tests, mixability and real-world results. What I found shocked me. Some of the most popular brands failed miserably but just stood above the rest. Might surprise you in number. You won't believe what's inside it. Stay till the end because the best one costs less than half of what you're paying right now. Here's the truth about the best protein powders. Starting at number 1. Ascent 100% Native Whey Protein Blend. I first discovered Ascent through some gym friends, and after looking into it, I was genuinely impressed by the quality. This powder in particular is 100% whey protein, the most bioavailable form for supporting muscle repair and growth. For women, whey protein, when combined with resistance training, is especially valuable because research shows it helps maintain lean muscle mass, supports metabolism, and can aid in exercise recovery. Even this unflavored version mixes effortlessly, tastes good, and provides a neutral base that works in shakes, smoothies, or baking. For those who prefer a flavored option, Ascent offers a range of no-sugar added varieties sweetened with stevia that are tasty. The chocolate, in particular, is my favorite. Each serving delivers 25 grams of protein, along with 5.5 grams of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, and 2.6 grams of leucine, providing the key building blocks for muscle recovery and performance. This product is also Informed Sport certified, meaning every batch is independently tested for quality and purity, and it's also certified gluten-free. I also like that it's moderately priced for a premium protein powder. With a straightforward, high-quality formulation and no unnecessary additives, it stands out as a top pick on our list. Number 2. Now Foods Pea Protein Powder. If you're looking for a no-frills protein powder that still delivers on quality, this vegan option from Now Foods keeps things refreshingly simple. The formula is made from just organic yellow pea protein isolate, which sets it apart from many protein powders that contain long lists of additives, sweeteners, or fillers. Each scoop provides 120 calories, 24 grams of protein, and about 45% of your daily iron. I especially appreciate that this powder is one of the most affordable options per serving on this list without compromising quality. In many cases, simpler protein powders are the most practical since you can easily add an unflavored, single-ingredient option to smoothies, shakes, coffee, or even lattes to boost protein without altering the flavor too much. That said, it's plain pea protein, so on its own it's pretty standard for the category. This product is also Informed Sport certified, meaning it has been independently tested for banned substances commonly screened for in athletics. In addition, Now Foods conducts its own extensive internal testing to verify purity and potency, helping ensure that what's listed on the label is exactly what you're getting in each scoop. Number 3. Cassava All-in-One Nutrition Shake. If you're trying to manage your weight, meal replacement shakes can be a tool, but they aren't the same as protein powder. Most traditional protein powders don't typically provide enough calories or a complete nutrition profile to truly replace a meal. Meal replacement shakes, like cassava, are designed to be more balanced and filling. I actually drank cassava almost every day for a year during my postpartum weight loss journey. Most mornings, I blended it with almond milk, a splash of kefir, and a frozen banana, which made it thick, creamy, and surprisingly satisfying. The chocolate flavor remains my favorite, and with 25 grams of plant-based protein and 6 grams of fiber, it kept me full and energized without upsetting my stomach. From a dietitian's perspective, it's a well-balanced option. Each serving provides plant-based protein from peas and grains like quinoa, along with fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, and added vitamins and minerals. It's also produced in accordance with current good manufacturing practices, CGMP, and is third-party tested, according to the brand. The main downside is the high price, but because the shakes are so filling, I found a bag lasted longer than expected, and the subscription option can help lower the cost if you use it regularly. Number 4. Gnarly Nutrition Gnarly Whey. If building muscle is your goal, whey protein is one of the most effective and well-researched options available. Whey is considered a complete, high-quality protein because it contains all 9 essential amino acids and is particularly rich in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, including leucine, which plays a key role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis after exercise. That said, because whey is derived from milk, it isn't suitable for vegans or those avoiding dairy. The formula also includes added prebiotics, probiotics, and digestive enzymes to support gut health and improve protein digestion and absorption, which can be especially helpful for people who experience digestive discomfort with whey products. While there are only 2 flavor options and the price point is higher than some competitors, the ingredient quality and nutritional profile help justify the cost. I'm generally a fan of Gnarly products because they're thoughtfully formulated and extensively tested. This powder is free from artificial flavors and sweeteners. It carries both NSF Certified for Sport and Contents Certified designations, meaning it has undergone rigorous third-party testing for purity, potency, and safety. In our evaluations, it also stood out for its balanced flavor and smooth texture, without the chalky aftertaste that's common with many protein powders. Number 5. Thorne RecoveryPro. Real recovery happens while you sleep, and supporting your muscles overnight is just as important as your actual workout sessions. I'm a longtime Thorne fan for its high-quality supplements, and its RecoveryPro is no exception. It's thoughtfully crafted, NSF certified for sport, and designed to optimize nighttime recovery, promote restful sleep, and even help with moderate stress, all without melatonin. Each serving delivers 13 grams of whey protein, providing a moderate amount to support muscle repair without being a full post-workout replacement. It also includes a unique blend of tryptophan, magnesium bisglycinate, and pharma-GABA, a natural form of GABA, a calming neurotransmitter that can reduce stress-related brain activity while promoting relaxation. Together, these ingredients support muscle repair and calm the mind, helping you wake up feeling refreshed, though it's quite pricey. That said, branched-chain amino acids and cysteine add extra support for muscle repair and performance. You can dissolve it in hot or cold beverages, and the rich chocolate flavor is a soothing sip before bed. And there you have it, the only protein powders worth your money. But hey, race the thing, these sell out fast, like within hours fast. Every single product link you need is waiting for you in the video description below. Not sponsored, not affiliate, greedy, just the real winners. If this video helped you save money and build better muscle, do 3 things right now. Hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this truth, to share this with your gym partner because they're probably wasting money right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell. Next week I'm exposing the worst supplements. One last thing, the number powder the company doesn't even advertise. I let that sink and see you in the next one.